Alright, here's another video of this product right here. This is a TikTok shop. This one, we get it for $8. Not me, just it's my wife. She get this one for $8 at the TikTok shop. This is the shower with this hose, and this is the shower. It's a little upgrade that she wants to her shower, and it's very cool because this type of shower you can get in Home Depot for more than $100. You can get it maybe for $80+. But we get this one just for $8 in TikTok. Right now I think it's like $28. This whole thing. So this is the upgrade. We're going to do it. So I'm going to show you how it's going to look, and how to install. It should be very quick, very simple. So we're going to upgrade this one, this basic one, for this. Okay, I'll do it right now. It's very simple. Just take this one down like that. Just screw it, unscrew it. It's nothing special. And grab the new one. And let me see it first. So this thing, it was pointing to over there a little bit. It was a little bit crooked. So if you need to, if you need to move this one, you grab your screwdriver, a long screwdriver, and put it in there, and just move it the way you want. So I need to go to the right. Just push it to the right, okay? Because you can see it's it's going to the wall. It's not straight, so I'm gonna make it straight, okay? Just with the screwdriver, and move it very slow, very careful, very gentle. Right now it's straight. So now I'm gonna continue with the shower. It's looking good now. Okay. First, grab this little rabbit ring and put it in here. Okay, just like that. Sorry guys. So I was checking all these parts, and the whole thing comes with its own wrench, so its own tool, and also it gives you that Teflon, the plumbing tape, and some more extra rabbit rings right here. So we're gonna use it. Okay, I already take this one out, so I'm gonna use this tape right here. So wrap it like that with the tape, and now we're gonna use this one. All good, it's secure now. You're looking straight. Okay, now we're gonna continue with the shower, and there's gonna be two more pieces here, one here and another one here. I'll show you in a little bit. It's time to put this one, the big one, here at the front. Very simple. That one is done. Now this one right here, you're gonna pick this one right here, the small one. Now the small one, take this blue thing. There we go. Let's put that here. I'm doing this all by hand. I really don't need the wrench to do that. Just by pressure of your hand. There should be good. This one too. Should be good there. Now this one you need to place in somewhere here. I'm gonna let it go. Okay, we're going to grab. This is the holder. You can place this one anywhere you want. So this one's gonna hold your spray, and this is the spray. Okay, so just connect this one to the hose like that. I'll show you. Right, it is all done. So I'm gonna show you how it works. I already tested. It's working. I was testing the leaks. There is no leaks. So I show you. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the water. There we go. And the shower there. All of them are working very nice. Okay. Very nice. And then for making the sprite work, just close this one, and this one is gonna work right away, all the way. There we go. You see? That's amazing. That's very good. That one is closed, and this one you can, shower your body. And you have another option. This is the jet option. I'll show you. Oh, this is very strong. This is very strong jet. Very strong. Yeah. Wow. Very strong. You can clean your shower while you're taking a bath. It's amazing. Alright. It's working. I'm gonna put the holder, because this one should like stay right here. It had a holder there. I'm gonna install it in a little bit. I just need to dry this part, and it's gonna be glued. It's gonna be glued to this position, to this side. Okay, it's working very nice. I'm gonna leave this one here. I'm gonna open the shower. There we go. Yeah, it's a nice upgrade we have. This is the holder. It's glue in here. You just remove the tape and just place it in here, or whatever you want to have your spray thing. Okay, so I'm gonna just dry this one and glue it to it. Yep. There is no leaks. It's working very good. It's a nice upgrade for $8, because we get this one on TikTok for $8. I think right now it's like a $28, very close to $30. Very good. So I'm using this acetone to clean this one right here, the wall. And now I got this one ready to go. You just place it like, position you want. Here is good. Okay. There we go, that's it. Press a little bit. It's good there. Now bring this one here. And that's it. And then you shower. It's a little upgrade we did to the shower. Okay, very simple to install. It took me like maybe 10 to 15 minutes to do it. And you don't even need any tools, just whatever is in the box. But the box bring all the tools you need. Okay, have a good day. Okay, to use the shower spray, you need to reach this one, and my wife, she's having a problem with it. So she is like 5'1" and tall, and she's gonna be having a lot of issues to get to that position. She can't. So that's the only problem that I see with this shower. So she's not gonna be have an easy access to use this spray right here, because she can't reach. Yep, that's the only problem I see with this one. But for me, I'm okay with that. But just for if you are like 5'2", 5'3", you're gonna have a little bit of problems to reach this one, because it's a really very hard to reach if you are a shorty one. Okay, all right.